In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use a Poppy AI coupon code for a discount. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here into the website of Poppy AI by using the link in the description. Once you're here is that you want to now go into Get Poppy AI or log in if you already have an account. Since I don't have one, I'm just going to click on Get Poppy AI and then proceed into providing my contact information to creating my account and then choosing the pricing option that you'd want to buy here in Poppy AI. Let's say I'm going to go for this one right here, which is $757 per year. I would get Poppy AI plus VIP live dedicated support, but you could also go for the other plans if you'd want to. And now in here, it's very important that you click here on have a coupon code. And from here, you just simply need to type in POP AI 25 and click on apply. And now once you do that, you will now be able to go here at the bottom and you would see that you would have a $25 discount. So instead of $757, I only get to pay $732. So in here, I can now click here on continue once I am all ready to proceed. So yeah, that's it on how you'd be able to use a Poppy AI coupon code for a discount. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.